Working on my daughter's 2003 Nissan Murano. Stopped charging. Battery light and brake light came on, which says bad alternator. But I've tried charging it and doing a few things. I just want to confirm before I order an alternator. When I took the plug off, that goes to the top of the alternator, like not your main, or replace the end for the B connection. You can see that where it's got the white heat shrink to make sure that connection was good. This plug was quite dirty, so I used some electrical contact cleaner to clean that up, and it had corrosion on the other pin, so I cleaned a lot of that out. Now I'm just going to reconnect this and see if everything works properly.